Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to select multiple services on Setmore. If you're not familiar with Setmore, it's a scheduling and booking software that's perfect for small businesses. It's easy to use and has a lot of great features, including the ability to select multiple services for your appointments. This is a great feature if you offer a variety of services, or if you want to allow your clients to book multiple services at the same time. Step 1. Sign in to Setmore. The first step is to sign in to Setmore. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Go to the Calendar tab. Once you're signed in, click on the Calendar tab. Step 3. Click on the New Booking button. Click on the New Booking button. Step 4. Select the services you want to offer. On the New Booking page, you'll be able to select the services you want to offer. You can select as many services as you want. Step 5. Set the date and time of the appointment. Once you've selected the services you want to offer, you can set the date and time of the appointment. Step 6. Add the client's information. Next, you'll need to add the client's information, such as their name, email address, and phone number. Step 7. Click on the Create Booking button. Once you've added the client's information, click on the Create Booking button. Step 8. Confirm the booking. You'll be asked to confirm the booking. Once you've confirmed, the booking will be created. That's it. You've successfully selected multiple services on Setmore. Additional tips. You can also select multiple services when you're editing an existing booking. You can set a default set of services that will be automatically selected for all new bookings. You can allow your clients to select their own services when they book online. Selecting multiple services on Setmore is a great way to offer your clients more options and to make it easier for them to book appointments. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to select multiple services on Setmore. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.